Good morning from the Carnival Panorama. We are going to be arriving in Mazatlan in about 2 hours. So right now we're about to head up to Lido, get some blue iguana breakfast, and we're going to kind of get ready for the day. Then we'll start our hike to Faro Lighthouse. Look at how good this looks. So this is an interesting place to dock a cruise ship because it looks like we are docking right here. We're ready for our hike. I got my drone. It's time to get off the ship.
Boarding the boat. So this used to be a total over the 50% energy from the sunset. Wow, that is awesome. The height, sometimes I do it twice a day, or 3 times a day.
So we made it up to the Faro Lighthouse, and it was a pretty challenging hike. It's 104 degrees with the real feel today, but it still wasn't too bad. I got some awesome drone footage, as you just saw, and now we're getting ready to head back down. But this is a pretty decent excursion. There is a sky bridge here. It's not included, however, so I would recommend just taking your own taxi because I don't know how much the entrance fee is, but this excursion was about $60. I will say the views up here are beautiful. And there is the lighthouse. Alright, well, we're back on this little tram thing. And we're about to go recoup, get back on the ship, stop sweating, so getting some AC for a little bit, grab a snack. And then we're probably going to the Malecon in Mazatlan here. So, I'll see you guys when we come back out to explore Mazatlan.
0, car, K.
Well, we're headed back out into Mazatlan, going to the Malecon. So, I'll see you guys when we get there. So we're on the Malecon, and I just found a spot to fly my drone. The cliff jumpers were behind us. We had to pay $10 for them to jump, which was kind of a pain, but I understand they need to get their tip money. So I'm going to put up my drone now, and then we're going to get back because our taxi driver is actually giving us a little bit of a tour for 40 bucks. So it's really cool. All right, guys, enjoy the drone footage. That's it for drone spot 1. Let's see where our cab driver takes us next.
Here in the historical area, if you see, it's all architecture, right? Towers, a couple big buildings. There was the more important buildings here.
Sorry that it's a little loud, there's some construction going on above me, but after some amazing viewpoints our cab driver brought us to, he took us to Angel Flores Street, and this street looks absolutely beautiful. So for our last stop, our cab driver brought us to the Cathedral Basilica de la Immaculada Concepcion. I had to look at Britt's phone to see if I could pronounce that. I know I butchered that, but check out how beautiful this church is. This is why you do not feed pigeons. Oh my God. Well, that was a fun little tour. Now time to head back towards the cruise ship. We're back on board and on our balcony right now. So I'm gonna say, if you do want to do a tour of Mazatlan, ask your cab driver how much it'll cost, because $40 between the two of us, it was a pretty good deal, and it's the safer way. You get to stay in the AC. I definitely enjoyed that. Now we're just waiting for sunset, and then that'll be it for the Mazatlan part of the Carnival Panorama series.